Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI gaming monitor which keeps going black. So here's a guide for your cable, refresh rate, HDR, and power saving. Fix 1. Check the video cable. Make sure the HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C cable is properly connected. Try a different cable if possible. Avoid using damaged or loose cables. Fix 2. Lower the refresh rate. In Windows, you can go to Settings, select System, and then go to Display and select Advanced Display. Select a lower refresh rate and test the monitor. An unstable cable or GPU may struggle at high refresh rates. Fix 3. Disable adaptive sync features. Turn off FreeSync, G-Sync, or adaptive sync in the monitor's OSD menu. Test whether the black screen issue stops. Fix 4. Update graphics driver. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Restart your PC after the update. Fix 5. Check for power connections. Ensure the monitor's power cable is firmly connected. Plug the monitor directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip if possible. Fix 6. Test another input or device. Switch to a different input source like HDMI, DisplayPort, or USB-C. Connect the monitor to another PC, laptop, or console to identify whether the issue is with the monitor or the source device. Fix 7. Reset the monitor. Open the OSD menu and select Settings and then go to Reset. This restores the monitor to its factory settings. Fix 8. Disable HDR. HDR can sometimes cause intermittent black screens. In your Windows, you can go to Settings, select System, and then go to Display, select HDR, and turn it off. Fix 9. Check for firmware updates. Visit the MSI support page for your monitor model. Install any available firmware updates. Fix 10. Watch for overheating. Make sure the monitor's vents are not blocked. Allow the monitor to cool down and see if the issue improves. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.